What are you doing, Sam? What are you doing? Did you smell the egg salad? Did you smell the egg salad in your sleep? Did you want some egg salad? Huh? Where are you? Do you like egg salad or something? What are you doing? I'll give you some, okay? Here, wait. I'll give you some. Okay. Here you go, baby. Wait. Hold on. I got a lot of birds on me. 1 second. Hey, Button. Ready? Can you open? Open? Is that good? Is that good? Sammy. Oh my goodness, Sam. You want more? You want more? More? You want some too, Rock? You want some too? 1 second, Rocker. Here. Wait. Here. You want more? Rock, do you want more? Do you want more? Come on. You're scaring Rocker. You're scaring Rocker. All right, let's give more to Sam. Button, do you want some too? You want a little bit? You got some? Sammy, you're so cute. Here. Oh my goodness. Ay, ay, ay. I have birds on me everywhere. Here's more. I can't see. And then we have here. And Rocker is on my back. And these two. I can't ever eat in peace. Ever, ever. What, do you want more, Button? Here, you want more? Open? Oh, you got it? Sammy, can you wave? Can you wave? I'll give you more if you wave. Can you wave? I know, Rocker, I'll give you more. Can you wave? Yay, Sammy, one more wave. Wave one more time and I'll give you more. One more wave. Come on. Wave and I'll give you more. Wave, Sammy. Come on, Sam. Yay, Sammy. Good job. It was a little wave, but it was one. You definitely did it. Button's going crazy. You want to wave one more time? One more time? Come on, Sam, wave. Wave, Sam. Come on. Wave. Yay, Sammy, you did it. You did it. You got to realize, guys, Sam weighs so much, and it's hard for him to pick up his foot and hold his weight. He's not used to doing that. But how cute was that? I know, Rocker. I know, baby. You want more. Here. Here. You want more. You keep saying more. You love that, huh? Oh my goodness. This is crazy today. Cotton, you want some? Oh my goodness. I don't think I had any, if you want to know the truth. I don't think I had any. Here, Sam, you can have a little more. Oh my God, they're all flying on me. Anyway, guys, this is how I have to eat every day because I don't like to leave them locked up when I'm home. We love you guys. We hope you're having a great day. Sammy, say bye to everyone with your egg face. Say goodbye. Can you wave bye-bye? Can you wave bye-bye? Thank you, Sam.